So we're off to DreamWorld today. Currently on the motorway getting there.
Getting some traffic now. How unusual we've hit them. It's always when you get to here. Anyway, won't be too long, it'll go away.
So it's been about 5 years since we've been to DreamWorld, and since then there's been a few changes. They've got the new jungle area that we haven't been to yet that we're going to go to today. We're hoping that the animals, the tigers, are a little bit active today. They usually aren't when we go. They're usually just lazing around doing nothing.
Yeah, we want to see some action, guys.
I'm going to try and get Mum on the steel taipan, which is a roller coaster at DreamWorld, if you didn't know. She doesn't love roller coasters.
I love roller coasters, but I don't like heights. So I am a bit scared, but I'll give it a go. At least it's not one of those climbing takeoffs. It's just a zoom you away. I can deal with them a little bit better.
I'm going to try out some food, some snacks.
I'm hungry already, so can't wait. We've got to go on the old cars.
Yeah, the vintage cars.
Yeah. Tootle around in them for a bit. Go on the motorcycle coaster thing. See what else we can do, hey? Just head down and see if we can get this over and done with then, yeah?
Yeah.
6, 7! Walk back down to go back.
Welcome to Australia.
Yeah, literally.
This is what the steel taipan looks like, the big roller coaster that I had to be brave and go on. It's really high and fast. I mean, it doesn't last too long, and I did it, but I don't want to do it again. In the distance, you can see the Tower of Terror, which has the giant drop ride, which brings you up and leaves you up there for a bit and then just plummets you down. You would not catch me on that thing.
Alrighty, we just came off the steel taipan.
Oh my god, I thought I was going to die. I do not like scary, fast, high roller coasters.
I like that one.
I like Disney coasters. They're like more my vibe. This was a little bit scary for me. But we did it.
Mm-hmm.
Hey,
Yep.
what are your thoughts?
I like it. I mean, I've been on that one before.
That's
but I
my
like
first time.
it takes you backwards at the beginning, which you guys will see in the footage.
Which is terrifying.
Yeah, it was a long wait.
It was a long wait. It was about 45 minutes, I think, in total in the end. So I think the ride's about a minute 15. So it's a long wait for a short ride. But, we did it. We can say we've done it now.
Mm-hmm.
I never want to do it again.
And it's so hot here today. It's like 35 degrees or something.
Oh, yeah. It's steaming hot.
Celsius, yeah.
Welcome to Queensland, I guess. But, yep, so that one's done. We are going to go off and get a drink and something to eat, I think. Maybe some lunch.
Mm-hmm.
What time is it? It's 10 to 12 now, so probably is lunchtime.
Mm-hmm.
So, we'll go get some food and we'll show you what we get.
We ended up getting chicken tenders and chips and a nice cold soft drink, which helped cool us down. They've got lots of options. I did film the menu board here for you. I think it's pretty much similar wherever you go in the park, but there might be a couple of places where you might be able to grab a sandwich or something, but we just went for the good old chicken and chips, and it definitely hit the spot.
I'm not really sure what it's called. No, Kenny and Belinda's Dreamland changes so often I can't keep up. It has been a while since we've been here though.
Yeah.
So I think we just walked past. Can you show Bananas in Pajamas over there? And one of their friends, I'm not sure who.
I think it's Rat with a Hat or something.
Oh, Rat with a Hat. And Kenny and Bananas in Pajamas.
Yep.
Like to keep our eye out for Kenny and Belinda. They're the mascots of DreamWorld. So we'll keep an eye out for them today. Hopefully we get to catch a glimpse. But
Yep. But we just finished lunch. They have
pretty typical theme park fare, wasn't it? It wasn't great, but
so they have a
filled
3
void.
tender meal for $23. That's like the adult size, or a $16 kid tender meal with 2 tenders and chips. So we opted for the kids meal, which was good because we didn't eat it all anyway.
We didn't even eat all of that. No,
So we saved $14 between the two of us.
we probably could have just shared one, but we just didn't know how much we were going to get or how hungry we were. So
But yeah, I think now we're gonna head
towards the tigers and
Tiger
that
Island,
new area,
the jungle area.
we haven't seen. So we'll bring you along with us and show you the way. Oh, that's Belinda's tree house. Indoor play area. It's cool. And then there's like a little kiddie coaster here. Kenny's Forest Flyer. That's more my style. Yeah, we'll definitely go on that at some point. And straight ahead it's called Serpent Slayer. It looks absolutely disgusting because it swings you over. Oh, yuck. That would make me sick, I'm afraid. That's the Wiggles big red boat, little tiny coaster. It's closed today, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh,
why
there's
people
people
are
there.
online. They said it was closed.
It did say out the front this morning on the sign that it was closed today, but there are people waiting, so not sure. Maybe they've been able to reopen it. Oh, and they've got a splash area up ahead for kiddies. Nice on a day like today. It's disgustingly hot today. That looks like good fun.
Yeah, it looks refreshing.
Yeah. Straight ahead is Tiger Island. Now, this is where I am hoping to see some action from these tigers. Sometimes they are very boring and they're just lazing around, soaking up the sun. But hopefully today, I bet you though, because it's so hot, they'll just be lazing around. None in the tunnel, is there? What about in the rock habitat? Maybe. Can't see anything. Oh well, we'll keep hunting. We found a couple sleeping, well, lazing. They look hot as, they're panting. So hot. Poor buggers. They're so beautiful though. This is the merchandise for the Tiger Island and just like miscellaneous DreamWorld stuff. Hats and Kenny and Belinda stuff. Animals, plush toys. Seems to be there's a lot of tiger plush toys over that way. And there's some clothes and trinkets and things. T-shirts. So how much a t-shirt is? 30 Australian dollars. 30 AUD. It's pretty decent. It's not too bad, yeah. It's pretty good. Pardon? This one's $40. It's a bit ugly. It's a bit ugly, yeah. Not our cup of tea, but I'm sure a lot of people would like it. $70 for a statue. Let's go check out the tiger stuffed toys and see how much they are. I actually bought a tiger stuffed toy about 6 years ago now. Yeah, and it was $13. So let's see if that was for our little fluffy boy at home, but he doesn't love it. $20. He would like this one. It's a bit hard. No. He would like that. $17. It's not too bad. It's tiny, but maybe for Christmas. He would love it. All right, should we head on out and see if we can see any tiger action?
We don't have access on the islands with those tigers anymore, so it's always through mesh and waterways that we move our tigers. So,
Whoa, big jump.
speakers have changed dramatically, and it's a bit more important than how we work them and how we enrich their lives as well. Because they're enriched with
Oh, wow.
playing with them and keeping company and walking around.
Geez, they've really advanced this, haven't they? When I was a kid, I could usually just not see what was happening. Now they've got a big screen. That's good.
Around 3 metres in length, sometimes around 1.5 metres. So they can jump quite a fair distance, depending on how big the tiger is as well. Now, what we did place around
Nice area for them.
was pieces of meat. Now, we feed our guys 5 days a week. They don't eat every single day.
All right, shall we head over to Jungle Rush and check that out?
All right, we're heading off to Rivertown. We've been calling it Jungle Rush. Maybe that's the name of the ride, but the area is called Rivertown. So we're heading there to check that out. This is exciting because it's all new to us. We haven't seen this at all.
The only thing that we have seen is the restaurant, but that's been all done up now. It used to be a buffet, and now it's an actual sit-down.
It's a la carte, yeah. We maybe have seen like a couple of little clips online or something on
nothing
on their Facebook page or something, but not
compared to being here.
No, nothing substantial, and certainly not in the flesh. So we'll check that out. There's the Jungle Rush little coaster. I'm not sure what to expect of that one, but I don't think it goes upside down or anything terrifying like that other one, so like steel taipan. So we should be okay. It's nice. It's themed well. Pardon?
It is. I wonder where that is.
Yeah.
Go to a viewing.
Maybe. That used to have that big boat, the big steamboat.
Yeah, I think they've extended this.
Yeah.
That used to be a bit bigger, the lake.
Yeah, it was a bit wider because the steamboat wouldn't fit there now, would it? So it is themed very well. Rivertown. There's the restaurant over there.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and here's the old cars, the vintage cars. Golly gosh, I remember riding them with my mum and dad when I was just a wee girl. Oh, nostalgic. Well, what do we want to do? Do we want to do a ride while we're this way, or it's a bit too soon after eating? Maybe do the cars? Yeah. Back here, isn't it? Oh, I thought the entrance was down there. We are off on the old cars. Very loud and so slow. Hey, Abby. Good driver. It's very, very hot today. We are suffering. Good old Queensland humidity. Did they stop? Did they stop?
No. Oh, like at any point.
I think they must have. We were caught up so close.
But I think the kids got put on the thing, so it might not be as...
Oh, yeah.
Just trying to give them some space.
Yeah.
It's a nice little ride, but it's a long wait for a really slow
Just a
ride.
long wait for such a short, small,
If you have
slow ride. Good for the kids, but yeah, on such a hot day. Smile for the camera.
Where
I have no idea where the camera is, but we were smiling. There it is. dehydrated themselves because they don't drink enough water. So we just waited probably nearly 20 minutes for a snow cone because the girl who served us is sweet and lovely, but man, she's slow, so it took ages. But anyway, tastes good. We got there. Yeah, she put so much syrup on them. So much syrup. I'm going to be high as a kite. Oh well. Get it into you, I guess. And oh, what?
It's very sour.
Oh, great. Just because it's so sweet. The breeze is nice. Because it's been so nice. The breeze is lovely. Anyway, we're going to enjoy these snow cones. We'll probably be high as a kite when we get back, and we'll see whether we're feeling better and whether we want to keep exploring. See you soon. So it is about, let me check the time. It's 1:45 in the afternoon and we're deciding to go home. The park's only open until 5, so realistically it's only about 3 hours of park time that we're missing. We've explored probably about half of the park, but we're going to come back. We have annual passes because they were on sale, so we got them. So we're going to come back in like a few weeks' time and we will show you guys the rest of the park then. But yeah, I think the thing about DreamWorld is it's very like spread out. Everything's quite far away from each other. The line waits are really long because the loading and unloading process at rides is really slow and long, which we found at the Steel Taipan. We were in the line for 45 minutes and they were loading and unloading very slowly. Same at the Murrissippi Motors, that we were in line for probably about 40 minutes as well. And that took so long, that ride. They only have 5 of the cars going and some of them they were setting off with 1 person in them, so the line was just horrendously long. So we only went on those 2 rides today, but then we'll come back in 4 weeks time and we'll go on other rides then. And we might check out the water park as well then, because we haven't been there in a while and I think they've opened some new rides. But other than that, lunch was good. The food was actually good and it was a big portion for a kid's meal, I found. Like we both didn't finish our meals and they were kids' meals, so yeah, we're gonna head home and we'll show you guys the exit and the entrance when we leave. everyone, we are back at DreamWorld today, which is one of the theme parks at Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. We're going to continue to take you around. Last time Abby got a bit dehydrated, so we had to leave early, but we're going to try and do quite a bit more today. It's a really overcast looking day, so we're hoping that it keeps the heat down a bit and maybe even the crowds, fingers crossed. What do you think, Abs? We're going to do this?
Yep, I'm ready.
First plan of attack is the Jungle Rush ride. I don't know what it's called, do you?
Jungle.
It's the new ride in the Jungle Rush area. We'll find out what the proper name is when we get there, but that's our first plan of attack. We haven't done that. That's new for both of us, so that'll be fun. And then we'll try and get some snacks and some food and show you around. We should even try and go and do the animals today, Abs. Yeah. So, yeah, we'll show you around. See you when we're in.
We've come in and we're just wandering through. This is the railway station. They've got like a little train that goes around the park. And then we're heading down here after the train tracks to the new Rivertown area and having a little mooch around there before heading off to give the ride a go, the Jungle Rush ride. This was our first time on this ride. It was cute. We didn't mind it at all. I think we actually did it twice in a row so that we could experience both ways. There's you can start going forwards and then you go backwards, or you can start going backwards and then you go forwards. So there's kind of two options, and we did it both ways, and yeah, I really enjoyed it, and Abby did too. It was a lot of fun.
Weird. Yeah.
And we're heading into the Jungle Rush line now. And then I think we only waited about 20 to 25 minutes at the most for this, both times we did it. So not too bad at all. This is our cute little ride pick.
Here's the menu for Jane's Rivertown restaurant. In case you wanted to have a nice sit-down meal. Lots of variety on there. Opens at 11:30 and closes at 4. So good for a sit-down lunch if you wanted to escape the heat. Have a nice full filling meal. We won't be doing that today though. Yeah. Just a map showing you which way everything is, and this is a park map that shows you the layout of the park. You can even use the QR code to get the map on your phone. Oh yeah. There's a bridge down there that's like fallen in. And it feels like the rain might be coming. But we're going to push on because the radar doesn't show that there's much, if any, so it shouldn't last long if it does. It's definitely keeping the crowds away today. It's very quiet here today. Unlike last time we were here, it was quite busy. This is all the animals when we get down there. They do a sheep shearing show, I believe. Here comes the train. The DREAMWORLD Railroad Express or something. Gosh, you'd think I'd know the names of everything having been here that many times, but I forget. There it is. Just the DREAMWORLD Express. Hardly anybody on there. Oh, it said there's hardly anyone on there. So here you can get koala photos. There's a twilight trail. Tiger Island is the other way, but we went there last time. So we're going to go check out the wildlife today. Up this walk, which is accessible because it's a ramp, so that's good. And I'm not sure what we should be looking out for, but in the past I know we've seen like cassowaries and lots of different birds and things along this walk. Looks like we may have found a cassowary. Come around here. There he is. Hey, buddy.
He's actually one of the world's most dangerous birds.
Dangerous. Oh, he's looking at us too. That's scary. Why are you looking at us, buddy? Lunch. This section here is home to the tree kangaroos. He's hiding there. Try and get him around the other side. See if we can see his face. Oh, there he is, turning a little bit. There he is. Hey, buddy. Now we've entered the kangaroo area. There they are. Straight ahead. Hey, guys. It's quite big, this one. Hey, buddy. Hello. They just get to roam around here. I think you can buy feed for them if you want to, but we won't do that. They're pretty tame in here. They're not looking to fight us or anything like some of the internet pictures you may have seen. They can be pretty fierce, these guys. Some more here. They're pretty chill. Over here we've got some koalas in the trees. Oh, they're beautiful. I love koalas. They're my favorite. Look. Oh, he's sleeping. It's so beautiful. They smell rank, koalas. They always smell like really strong urine, but they are beautiful. Look at them. He looks tiny.
You can tell the crowd's usually.
Yeah, it is usually packed here, but there's no one. We've got 3 koalas here. There's another one in there hiding in the leaves. And they're just chilling, having a sleep. No one around to annoy them.
How lovely. There's 4. There's another one hiding in the leaves there.
And up there.
Bless. Oh, and another one, so that's 5. Oh, wow. They're all asleep. Not a care in the world. Bless them.
We ended up getting churros and an iced chocolate for a snack, which kind of turned into lunch. They were really filling and they were really quite good. Lots and lots of cinnamon sugar on there, really tasty, and the iced chocolate was really good as well. We got in line for one last ride on the moto coaster. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. We've got lots more exciting adventures coming up. It would really help us out and help our channel grow. Until next time, toodles!